From the #1 helmet brand worldwide, HJC introduces the latest generation CS series. The all-new CS-R3, a full-face tree helmet that is sure to redefine your perception of what an affordable helmet should be. Featuring precision injection molded polycarbonate composite construction, this lightweight CAD-engineered shell boasts streamlined aerodynamics resulting in a quiet, well-balanced ride, allowing you to enjoy the road without distraction. Superior fit is a result of a data-driven, CAD-modeled EPS impact liner combined with a Plush moisture-wicking Nylex Interior, featuring a hassle-free installation and removal system to simplify cleaning and maintenance. Relief from big summer heat comes thanks to the advanced ventilation system, comprised of a large adjustable chin bar vent and 2 adjustable front intakes linked internally through 2 integrated exhaust vents, allowing internal heat and humidity to flow up, through, and out. Complementing all this comfort is the CS-R3's optically superior 3D face shield, secured by the RapidFire Shield Replacement System, providing an excellent seal against the elements, plus hassle-free installation and removal. Top-shelf features and precision engineering that's surprisingly inexpensive. Consider the affordable helmet category redefined.